Welcome to LASP. LASP started over 75 years ago as the Upper Air Laboratory, and since then we've sent instruments to every planet in the solar system, including Pluto and beyond. LASP is an institute at the University of Colorado. We have over 750 students and professionals working in science, engineering, operations, finance, and management. Founded in 1948, LASP is the premier academic space science laboratory with full-cycle capabilities to build and manage missions, from science and engineering design to instrument fabrication, mission operations, and scientific data analysis. Every decision we make, from contamination control to project management, is driven by one goal: high-quality science. LASP offers extensive engineering facilities to develop and test spaceflight hardware on-site. The state-of-the-art test and calibration facilities allow our engineers to work in tandem with scientists, mission operators, and software developers to create test-as-you-fly scenarios. These investments, coupled with our more than 75 years of evolving expertise, contribute greatly to LASP's superior on-orbit performance record. Let's visit some of these facilities in more detail. Welcome to LASP Machine Shop. In the machine shop here, we're fully equipped with CNC mills, lathes, and all sorts of equipment. Highly trained machinists fabricate instruments and other flight components on-site from aluminum, magnesium, stainless steel, titanium, and other materials with incredibly tight tolerances. LASP has a long history of building highly sensitive UV instruments using stringent contamination control processes. LASP's precision cleaning lab, clean rooms, HEPA-filtered flow benches, and vacuum bakeout facilities are all used to mitigate the risk of particulate and molecular contamination. This is LASP vacuum bakeout facility, also called BOT. All of our parts, as we bring them through the production process and into assembly, we clean them and then we bring them into a vacuum bakeout process where we mitigate molecular contamination, and then we certify that each one of those parts is clean before integrating them to a higher level of assembly. We're in LASP Polymerics lab now, and in this lab we have certified technicians for NASA's 8739.1 standard, and they do staking of components, they do optics bonding, and they do specialty coatings on electronics and other things. So it's a very well-equipped lab. Our NASA certified technicians work in electrical assembly to fabricate highly sensitive spaceflight hardware. This is LASP's high bay clean room, and in this clean room most of our instruments over the last couple decades have been assembled, integrated, and tested. Here we have a clean room and vacuum chamber that are big enough to accommodate a full range of projects, from instruments to completed observatories. Our Institute's thermal vacuum test facilities are used to test our instruments so they will endure the harsh conditions of space. LASP has 4 thermal vac chambers ranging from Jimmy, which is large enough for a medium-sized spacecraft, to small chambers that are used for CubeSat and component testing. These chambers have been used to calibrate various instruments, including highly sensitive ultraviolet imagers and spectrometers. This is Moby, LASP's medium-sized thermal vacuum chamber, 5 feet in diameter, 6 feet long, and wrapped in a thermal shroud that uses both liquid and gaseous nitrogen. All right, this is the Jimmy thermal vacuum chamber. It's 10 foot inside diameter or 3 meters. And it's got a full thermal control shroud and a rollout platen, and we keep it very clean for testing contamination-sensitive hardware. It's used to conduct thermal and optical testing for spacecraft, including large instruments and full-size buses. This includes thermal vac and thermal valence, as well as optical testing through a window on the rear of the tank. This facility is unique to an organization like LASP, a research institute inside of a university, so having full spacecraft test capabilities in-house is quite unique for us. LASP's Mission Operation and Data Systems Division offers high heritage in implementing joint operations and data centers and optimizing shared resources as part of a multi-mission operations center. LASP has provided flight operations on 25 NASA missions over the past 40+ years, including 24/7 flight operations, staffed by a mix of professional and certified student personnel. As one of the few university-based mission ops centers, LASP trains and certifies undergraduate students to operate NASA's spacecraft. LASP also operates science data centers for well over 120 instruments and multiple missions. LASP software engineers, data analysts, and developers serve as a crucial interface between missions and science. Our partners across town, across the country, and across the globe extend our reach, bringing additional expertise and capabilities to every mission. At LASP, science drives every decision. As a university-based institute, our mission development process is built around achieving clear scientific goals. With decades of heritage, from source to IMAP, we've proven our ability to deliver science success. LASP is ready to build, ready to scale, ready to deliver high-quality science.